How to create a logo to your website on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Wix. As you can see, this is the dashboard of my website. Now go right here, scroll down and click on marketing and SEO. After you click on it, it will take you here. Click on logo maker. Now it will take you to this page. Click get started and add your name, how to media, click let's go, and now click, for example, technology, click next, and now choose what you want it to look like. For example, I'm going to choose it modern, click next, and now I'm going to choose, for example, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now let's see the results. It's so easy, as you can see. Just waiting a few seconds until it shows us the results. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see, those are the results. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.